I'm Dan with Cali Raised, and today we're going to show you how to install trailing arm skids on the 24 Tacoma. So for the trailing arm skids hardware, what you will need is 6 half-inch bolts. 2 of them are going to be 5 inches, the other 4 are going to be 4.5 inches, 6 lock nuts, and then 12 washers. For the tooling, you're going to need a 3/4 inch socket, a 19 millimeter socket with the accompanying 19 millimeter and 3/4 inch box end wrenches, as well as a breaker bar. So first we're going to mount our upper trailing arm skid. To do that, we're going to use our breaker bar to take this bolt out, and you're going to want to use your wrench on the other side. We're going to go ahead and place the upper skid on, put the trailing arm back into place. I'm just going to keep that a little loose for now. We're going to go ahead and install this 1/2 inch bolt, and then we're going to tighten these down to where they should be. So to start installing this rear skid, what you're gonna have to do is undo this bolt. So we're gonna break that first, and I'm gonna go ahead and loosen it the rest of the way with this. So now that we've removed this shock, we're gonna go ahead and break this bolt loose, and then we're gonna undo it so then we can install our rear skid. So we went ahead and installed this bolt into the trailing arm. We installed it from the direction of the shock to the center of the truck. And now we're gonna go ahead and install the 4.5 inch long 1/2 inch bolts in the rear. Now we've tightened these 2 bolts down, we're going to go ahead and finish tightening down the bolt to the trailing arm to 140 foot-pounds. Now that we have installed the rear skid, we're going to reinstall the shock, and we're also going to tighten that down to 98 foot-pounds.
Go ahead and repeat the same steps on the passenger side that you just completed on the driver's side. Don't forget to torque everything down to spec after installing the trailing arm skid, as well as replacing your rear shock.
And that's how you install the trailing arm skids on the 24 Tacoma. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our Cali Raised LED YouTube channel, as well as visiting caliraisedled.com.